And some good tips with this a long stretch of triple-digit heat we're going to be dealing with, and it is again very warm heading out the door this morning. We have not gotten out of the 80s and likely won't. Still in the upper 80s, in fact. Taking you on out to DFW Airport, 87 degrees. Feels like it's 92 here this morning. Got up to 106 out at the airport yesterday. Going to be you got a neighborhood of that again today. It looks like you can see those upper 70s now heading out to Lancaster and DeSoto. But look at Richardson. You're still at 88. So we've been talking about in the urban areas how warm it is here this morning. Still 84 heading over to Grand Prairie, 81 in Frisco here this morning, and 80 getting out to Plano and McKinney. So a very warm start. Another very hot afternoon across North Texas. Those heat alerts will continue through at least this evening with the extreme heat warning and heat advisory for all of North Texas. Now, as we head into the afternoon, there may be a handful of us who pick up an isolated shower or thunderstorm late this afternoon and evening, probably during peak heating. So as we head toward 4 or 5 o'clock, an isolated shower or storm can't be ruled out. Coverage is going to be very, very low though for us, so it won't be much to cool us off at all. It will be brief if you get caught underneath one of those showers and storms, if we see any at all. But the models are indicating and hinting at maybe some isolated activity late this afternoon and evening. That's going to be about it as far as the rain is concerned. Heat still going to be the main story. Now we'll have those upper 90s in our far northeastern counties today, heading out toward Paris and Bonham there. But as we come a little farther south and west, triple digits elsewhere across North Texas here for today. So 104, maybe 105 heading over to Fort Worth. Again, we will have the northeast winds at around 5 to 10, but that won't be much to cool things down at all for today. Still looking at that heat index, 115 to maybe 116 heading over to Fort Worth. So we'll have that triple digit heat index up over 110 in most locations here later on today. So yes, the serious heat does continue. It's going to be sticking around for the rest of the week. We do shave a few degrees off of those daytime highs for tomorrow, so only around 100 for tomorrow, but still that heat index around 105, and then it gets a little warmer as we head toward the latter half of the week, around 101 to 102 over the weekend. But look at that heat index. It climbs back up close to 110 as we get into the weekend, and then as we look at that 14-day outlook, not much changes for us. We'll have those temperatures actually getting a little hotter once again as we head into the early middle part of next week. We're going to be back up around 105 as we take a look at the second half of that 14-day forecast, wrapping up the month of July, heading on into August. It's going to stay hot.